Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Info, and today our topic is Exchange Online Protection. Let's discuss about the topics that we will cover today. And the first topic is what is Exchange Online Protection. Second is the architecture of EOP and how EOP works. Okay, now let's discuss the filtering services available in Exchange Online one by one. So, first of all, let me tell you what is Exchange Online Protection. So, Exchange Online Protection has multiple filtering servers that filter the emails. So, Exchange Online Protection is a cloud based application or environment by Microsoft which helps us to identify the emails whether it is spoofed, it has any virus, it contains any virus, or it is a spamming email, or etc. So first is connection filtering. In connection filtering, the EOP checks the IP address from where an email sent. So for example, there is an email sent from the gmail.com. So it will assign an IP to the email and it will redirect to the EOP. So EOP will check that IP address in the reputation list of a Microsoft. If no issues found, then it will check in IP allowed or block list of an organization or an user. Okay. So if I say about IP allow or block, so user or the organization can manage these IPs to be, if they add that IP in a block list, then email will not be received by the server. Okay, how this is how a connection filtering works. In connection filtering, there is a DBEB also, database edge blocking. So we will discuss about this in our next video. After connection filtering, we have anti-malware filtering. In anti-malware filtering, the filter scans the email attachment and its body content. For an malicious or any threat or any virus has been found, then it will move to the quarantine and only administrator can work on this email or can release this email. Okay. After this, transport rules and DLP policies comes in a picture. I will create a video on this. Okay, so transport rules and DLP policies works like this. For example, an organization has created a transport rule. Okay, so transport rules subject or the content is, if the email has any name, for example, it contains the name organization, then the email will move to the deleted items or can be quarantined. So if the email contains some words like this, then the email will move to the quarantine or in deleted items. Okay, so DLP, data loss prevention policies work like this. For example, user has added any credit card information or personal information, then DLP policies will quarantine this email or this email can't be received to the recipient. Okay. After transport rules and DLP, advanced threat protection comes in a picture. So in advanced threat protection, the safe attachment scans the email for viruses and take actions as per the policy's configuration. Okay, so URL also scan in advanced threat protection, and email can be blocked if the URL found unsafe. Okay, after this, the next filter is anti-spam or content filter. So by using anti-spam or content filter, we can scan the emails if the email contains any spam, phishing, or the email is a bulk spam or any spoofing has been done by the email, then it will scan that. Okay. After that, zero hour auto purge comes in a picture. So zero hour auto purge scans the email when email is already hit on a recipient mailbox. Okay. If zero hour auto purge found anything on an email, it will be recovered. The email will be recovered from the mailbox. Okay, and it can be quarantined or can be deleted from the mailbox. So let's discuss now the EOP architecture, like how EOP works or how mail has been received to the EOP. So for example, there is an email from an email address 123@gmail.com, and it will contain a IP address, for example 10.10.10. Then it will reach out to the public DNS of the recipient domain, and it will ask the MX where to transfer or where to send the email. Then MX will transfer or move the email to the Exchange Online Protection, and then all filters will start working on this email. So we will discuss about next what happened to an email, and we can check that by the message header. For the full configuration of the message header and how it is being used, we will cover this in our next video. So there is a forefront anti-spam report which you can find that on a message header. In that, these value will be included within an email header. So you will find SFV, spam filtering verdict. Okay, it will give you the spam label or email has been spammed or it is not a spam. So there are some values. So first value is SKA, okay, which means spam confirmed by the anti-spam engine. NSPM means not a spam and message past the filtering. SKN means likely not a spam. BLK means the email is blocked because of the blacklisted from the sender or the domain IP allowed a block list. SFV SKU means spam is quarantine. Okay, so there are some SCL values. Okay, so which we call spam confidence level. At these value, we can identify if the email is safe or a spam. So the number is between 0 to 9. So in which 0 to 1, for example, it will be safe. The email is safe. If the SCL value is 2 to 4, then it is likely a safe. 5 to 6 means it is a spam. Okay. And 7 to 9 means it is a highly spam email. Okay. And IP means it is the IP address of the sending server. So that is for today. If you like this video, please like. If you have any doubt or any query, if you want to give any feedback, so please comment. If you want to share this video with your friend, please share. And if you want to learn more, please subscribe this channel. I will upload the videos regarding M365 and other technologies also. Thank you.